So viewers, if you misplace your private key of your wallet, so you can't recover your wallet. Yes, keep in your mind when you are going to create account, you must save your seed phrases and you must save your private key if you have, so you can easily restore your wallet. So in this video we are going to discuss also about private key, so how we can import wallet with private key in trust wallet. Yes, this is a possible if you have saved already your private key. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start with this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So let's start. Right top corner you can see here I have already installed Trust Wallet, and today we are going to import any wallet with private key. So this is so simple and easy. If you want to get this information, so please watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, I'm going to click on full screen button because I'm giving to properly information. You can see here Trust Wallet is open in front of me, and let's suppose you have the private key and you want to import in your Trust Wallet. So what will you do? This is simple as that. I'm going to first of all open my private key notepad file. You can see here I have my 3 private key available here. So I want to import in my Trust Wallet. So there's two options available, means two ways available here. So first of all, I'm going to use first scenario. You can see here left top corner shown here MetaMask wallet, which is we have discussed in our last video. If you have not watched, so you can watch my last video where we have used our MetaMask wallet with Trust Wallet. You can see here I have already 3 accounts in this main interface, but today we are going to import the private key of my BNB wallet. So what will I do? You can see here there's option available here, add new wallet. I will add all wallet step by step or one by one on this wallet, Trust Wallet. Simple click on add new wallet. Now you can see here add wallet and take charge of your journey. You can see here there's 2 options available here. The first option, I already have a wallet and create a new wallet. So I am going to import my BNB wallet with the private key. So I will use the first option. Simple click on it. Select your existing wallet. So I have private key of my MetaMask wallet, so that I'm going to click on MetaMask. Now enter the BNB. BNB just for reference. Okay, let's type on behalf of you. You can add any word type here. BNB. Private key. Just I think make some mistakes here. Yes, account. Just simple type here account. Okay. Now going to open my notepad file, and you can see here BNB private key available here. Just simple copy and paste to my Trust Wallet. This video is especially for beginners who want to use the Trust Wallet. Going to paste here and shown. If I'm going to paste wrong private key here, so what will shown here? You just simple see here and import. You can say not shown import button here, means our private key is not correct. Going to again type, and you can see here you can also select the network. I have going to select the BNB B chain, or you can leave it, it's depend on you, but I want to select. There is option Binance Smart Chain. Bico chain I think is closed. Yes, this is Smart Chain. Select, and after that you can see here import option is highlighted here. So going to click on this. Now wallet with the such account already exists. So I have already added in this option. So because you can see here, we have already import MetaMask wallet with private key, sorry, secret phrases in our Trust wallet. So that's shown here message. If you have not, so you will easily add it. So I'm going to also add my second Ethereum wallet. So I'm going to show practically. I'm going to click on it, and first I need to remove wallet, and then yes, going to open and click on MetaMask, shown here, manage wallet. I'm going to remove this wallet first, then we will add. Now you can see here I have removed successfully. Now going to add private key, add new wallet. I have already MetaMask, paste here key, select the network which is you are going to use. I am going to use the Binance Smart Chain, simple import button. So now we are going to wait. Yes, you can see here our wallet is import successfully with the private key. Just simple, select all options and click on it. Now you can see here viewers, I have successfully import my wallet with the private key. Simple click on it. So this wallet is I have successfully import. And if you want to import other wallet with the private key, you can use same scenario. Simple click on add new wallet. Already have a wallet, MetaMask, and you can set the name Ethereum, ETH wallet, private key, private key. Okay. Now going to paste here my private key here. Ethereum, yes, this is the Ethereum private key. Or you can paste here the BNB, it depends on you. Select the network, and going to select the Ethereum network, ETH available here. Just a wait. Ethereum, yes, you can see here. Select the Ethereum network. Private key is wrong. It's maybe I have. Yes, you can see here one space is more, so that shown the message here. Now click on import button. So you can see here wallet is existing, means I have already add my MetaMask wallet in this Trust wallet, so that shown message here. But you can use same scenario which is I told you in this video. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you import any wallet with the private key in Trust wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you get any information from this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.